Hey class, everything that we eat comes from either plants or from animals. And this week we're focusing on the food that we get from plants. The book that I'm going to be reading you today is all about bread and where the ingredients that we use to make bread, where they come from. So this book is called Bread Comes to Life, A Garden of Wheat and a Loaf to Eat. It's written by George Levinson and the photography is by Shmuel Thaler. Here we go. Bread is the food we eat every day. So many kinds, so many ways. And if you look really close, there's lots of different kinds of breads in this picture. Some you might be familiar with, some you might not be familiar with. White bread, black bread, small bread, tall bread, thin bread, twin bread, dinner rolls, bread with holes, hard day old, tough bread, soft, squishy, fluff bread. It looks like they like bread like I like bread. Oh, pages are kind of sticky. Bread is toast, bread is crumbs, bread is pizza, bread is buns. How is bread made? Where is it from? This baker makes his bread from scratch by sowing wheat in his backyard patch. Sowing is another word for planting. Soon those seeds send down roots and sprout into shoots of bright green grass. The days pass and that grass grows into sturdy blades, tall and straight, finely made, with budding heads and bristling hair, gently waving in the air. So you can see that there's little seeds here that the hair comes up from. When the crop is ripe and old, the tops are bowed and streaked with gold, and every head of wheat contains many tiny finished grains. Time to cut the golden field, gather up the backyard yield, stack up piles of sun-dried stalks, rub them in a threshing box. It's the simple old-time miller's craft of separating wheat from chaff. And the hair that they talked about earlier, that's called the chaff. They don't use the chaff. They only use the wheat kernels. Now is the hour to grind those grains into whole wheat flour. With simple tools and easy rules, it's on with the show to make up some dough and bring fresh bread to life. Yeast, honey, water, flour, salt, oil, and muscle power. Did you know that you need muscles to make bread? Because you dump it, you thump it, you dust it, you knead it, you squash it, and you stretch it. Toss it. Set it aside to rest and to rise. It grows and grows to twice the size. Give it a punch down, give it some shape. Let it rise again, then put it into bake. Slice it fresh, it's better than cake. Whatever the shape it finally takes, wherever the place it finally bakes, every day we are blessed with a mountain of bread. It's the staff of life. May all be fed. And that's the end. In the back of this book, there's more information on the different steps that they use to make bread, and there's more information on wheat. But in our class, there will be some recipes that you can look at. There will also be some videos that you can look at to learn more about the process of making bread. I hope you enjoyed this book. Have a great day.